Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how you can create drop down menu in Shopify. So first step you need to do is to open Shopify. So once you open your Shopify dashboard, here you can see online store. So this is my online store, but here you can see there is no drop down menu, so I want to create. So let's come back onto your Shopify store, and here you can see that's my online store. So you simply need to click on navigation first, and once you are on that page, here you can see main menu. So click on that, and here you can see home, catalog and contact. So here you can see a hand option, so you need to pick that and paste that like this. So and then you need to click on save menu. So now we need to go back onto our store. Let me refresh the store and refresh the store again. So here you can see there are three options. So we want in catalog contacts. So save this, and once you save, you simply need to come and refresh this, and now you can see that under catalog section contacts will be there. You can add menu items more, so under home you can add different items also. So this is the process that you need to follow to create drop down menu in Shopify. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.